My name is Akshita and I am a third year political science student at the University of Toronto. So I'm based in like downtown Toronto, but I live in Mississauga. Before this program, I knew what dementia was, but I didn't really interact with anyone who had dementia. I think sort of like a intuitive thing is just like they have dementia, so you have to really be cautious of how you act and stuff like that. Talk slow, sort of have lights and stuff. But like I did not have personal like experience working or even interacting with individuals living with dementia. So this was definitely something that I learned from, and this wasn't like a clinical study. I think it was very natural and sort of organic. So that was really nice. I think the first session that I led, it was at Berkwood, and we were talking about music, and I think like a senior just sprung up and started singing Michael Jackson and doing a little dance. So that was really sweet, and it was so much fun for the seniors to like laugh and interact and just like have a good time. And it was also really fun for me because this was my first session and I was nervous and I'm like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. And so I think it was such a fun surprise for everyone, and I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. And then we went back and forth on sharing music and taste and stuff. So that was really fun. I think it sort of impacted me both sort of in my personal and sort of professional life. Personally, it again made me realize how important simplicity is in today's times. And being a student, you're always like doing this and that and that. Like something's always in your face. There's so much information around you, so we don't really get the time to sit down and color or have a simple conversation. And I think this program really allowed me to create time for that and to really interact with seniors, because I think just like coloring a book or like painting something and talking as well goes a long way, I think, for both people on the conversation. So it really helped me to decompress and really meet the seniors and sort of like see what their experiences were, because they were great, and some of them were really funny, and they were great speakers and very artistic. So it was a great experience for me, and I think that the seniors really enjoyed it as well, to see sort of different youth coming together from different places, right? So I know some of my peers were from Kitchener or Calgary as well, so maybe like around Canada. So it was really fun. The peers that I worked with, other volunteers as well, they were really fun. And I think an element of this program is I actually got to meet peers who actually go to the same university as me. So just connecting and creating friends and even finding similar interests was really fun. Meeting new people across the country and students across the country was very exciting, because you don't really get an experience like that. And I think being virtual and being sort of like having that accessibility aspect was really important, because we all have lives. It's really hard to like meet in person and have these sessions. So having virtual sessions were like, it was amazing, because it's accessible, it's easy, and we get to do it from wherever. So it really helped with sort of the accessibility aspect of this program, to really include a lot of different people from different aspects of the country to come together and interact.